Let's practice adult CPR.
Check the area for danger. Try to wake the person up. If they're not responding, open the airway and check for breathing for no more than 10 seconds. If the person is not breathing, call 911. Have a bystander make that call for you. Get an AED if available. Landmark on the chest and give 30 compressions. Push hard, push fast, at a rate of at least 100 compressions per minute.
2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 20 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 30.
Secure the mask over the face, open the airway, and give 2 breaths. 1 breath goes in, 2 breaths go in. Repeat cycles of 30 compressions and 2 breaths until EMS arrives, someone comes and brings you an AED, you see signs of life return, you're too physically exhausted to continue, or the area becomes dangerous.
Breath goes in. Breath. Continuing CPR, landmark. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 2 breaths. Second breath. Continuing CPR, landmark.